Oh shit! Sorry.
There's definitely fire up there.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh!
I don't think that's how that's supposed to be.
Oh no! I don't know what to do.
That's not good.
Somebody.
I hope no one's hurt.
Hey guys, get down.
Oh no.
Get down. I don't want you to get hit.
There's someone there at the stairs.
This is cool.
They're all running away.
Now they're on the stairs.
Because there's fire on the top.
That was the last of them, and there's
Look at
fire
the
up there.
fire.